Welcome! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enjoy. A strange object has been detected moving through the vastness of space, its trajectory set directly toward Earth. At first, astronomers thought it was just another asteroid, a wandering piece of cosmic debris. But the more they studied it, the stranger it became. Unlike any known space rock, this object doesn't behave the way it should. It moves with an unnatural precision, accelerating in ways that defy simple gravitational forces. Could it be something more than just a rogue piece of rock? Could it be an alien probe? Throughout history, humankind has looked to the stars, wondering if we are alone. With every passing decade, our telescopes grow stronger, our understanding deeper, yet the answer to that age-old question remains elusive. But what if the answer isn't light years away? What if something or someone is reaching out to us first? Scientists across the world are now racing to understand the true nature of this mysterious visitor. Is it a harmless piece of interstellar driftwood? Or could it be evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth? And if it is, what does that mean for us? As the world watches with growing anticipation, this object continues its approach, offering more questions than answers. Its composition, its movement, even the way it reflects light, everything about it is unusual. Some experts warn that we should be cautious. Others argue that this could be the most significant discovery in human history. But before we jump to conclusions, let's unravel the facts. What exactly have scientists found? Why does this object defy conventional explanations? And most importantly, what happens next? The cosmos has always been a place of wonder and mystery, a vast ocean of possibilities stretching far beyond what our minds can comprehend. But every so often, the universe sends us a message, one that challenges everything we think we know. Could this be one of those moments? Could this be the first sign that we are not alone? It began as a faint signal, just a blip in the vast ocean of space. Astronomers scanning the sky noticed something unusual, an object moving in a way that defied expectations. At first, it appeared to be just another asteroid, drifting through the cosmos like countless others before it. But as scientists tracked its motion, they realized something was wrong. Unlike any known space rock, this object was accelerating, subtly, but unmistakably, as if propelled by an unseen force. This wasn't the first time something like this had happened. In 2017, a mysterious interstellar visitor named Oumuamua baffled astronomers when it passed through our solar system, behaving unlike any natural object we had ever seen. But this new discovery was different. It wasn't simply passing through. It was coming toward us. For decades, scientists believed that objects moving through space followed predictable patterns, driven by gravity, momentum, and the occasional collision. But this object didn't fit into any of those categories. It wasn't just drifting, it was adjusting its course, as if under intelligent control. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Was this an unknown type of asteroid? A piece of ancient alien technology, or something else entirely? Unraveling this mystery wouldn't be easy. Observing a fast-moving object millions of miles away is no simple task. Earth's most advanced telescopes, from the Hubble Space Telescope to the powerful instruments at the Atacama Desert Observatory, were quickly aimed at this enigmatic visitor. Yet every new observation only deepened the mystery. Its surface was unusually smooth, lacking the jagged irregularities of a typical asteroid. It reflected light in a strange, almost metallic way. And most intriguingly, it seemed to emit occasional bursts of energy, as if something inside was still functioning. What scientists were seeing didn't just challenge our understanding of space, it could redefine it entirely. If this wasn't a natural object, then what was it? A long-lost probe from an ancient civilization? A forgotten relic drifting through space for millions of years? Or something even more astonishing? Something that might still be operational? The discovery wasn't immediate. It took the most advanced observational technology on Earth and beyond to detect and confirm what scientists were seeing. The first clue came from the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii, a powerful sky survey instrument designed to scan the heavens for near-Earth objects. It picked up an anomaly, a dim, fast-moving object against the backdrop of deep space. At first, it seemed like just another asteroid, but when astronomers plotted its trajectory, something strange emerged. Unlike other celestial bodies, this one wasn't just coasting through space, it was changing speed in a way that defied natural explanations. Intrigued, researchers turned to even more powerful tools. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, still in its testing phase, provided sharper images, revealing an object with an unusual shape, elongated, almost like a spacecraft. The James Webb Space Telescope, equipped with its ultra-sensitive infrared sensors, locked onto the target, analyzing its composition. What it found only deepened the mystery. The surface of the object reflected light in a way inconsistent with known asteroids or comets. It wasn't covered in dust or ice. Instead, it had a sleek, almost metallic sheen, as if it had been engineered, rather than formed by nature. But the most shocking discovery came from radio telescopes. The Allen Telescope Array in California, a facility dedicated to scanning the cosmos for alien signals, detected something unexpected: brief, faint bursts of energy coming from the object. At first, scientists thought it was a glitch, perhaps interference from Earth or a natural cosmic phenomenon. But after repeated observations, the signals persisted. They weren't random, they had structure. Despite these groundbreaking observations, challenges remained. The object was millions of miles away, moving fast and difficult to study in detail. Scientists had to act quickly, coordinating efforts across multiple observatories worldwide, from the Atacama Large Millimeter Array in Chile to China's 500-meter aperture spherical telescope. Every second counted. If this object held secrets, whether natural or artificial, it was approaching, and soon it would be closer than ever before. What was this mysterious visitor? Could it be a relic from an ancient civilization, long forgotten and drifting through the cosmos? Or was it something even more astonishing? Something that might still be active, watching, waiting. Space is full of mysteries, but nothing about. This object makes sense, at least not by the rules we currently understand. In space, everything moves according to gravity. Planets orbit stars, moons orbit planets, and asteroids drift along predictable paths, influenced by the massive forces around them. But this object doesn't behave like a normal rock hurtling through space. It's accelerating, subtly, but undeniably, as if something is propelling it. To understand why this is so bizarre, imagine throwing a paper airplane across a room. Normally, it glides forward until air resistance slows it down. But now, imagine if that same airplane suddenly sped up mid-flight, twisting and turning as if it had a mind of its own. That's what scientists are seeing. A cosmic object moving in ways that defy the basic laws of motion. One possible explanation is outgassing, the process where ice on an asteroid or comet turns into gas, creating a force that alters its trajectory. But there's a problem. This object doesn't have the usual coma or tail of a comet, no visible jets of gas pushing it forward. So if it's not natural propulsion, what's causing it to move like this? The answer might lie in something called solar radiation pressure. Light itself carries energy, and in the vacuum of space, photons from the sun can exert a tiny but steady force on an object. If this mysterious visitor is extremely thin and lightweight, almost like a giant sail, then it might be responding to solar radiation in ways we don't yet fully understand. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Thin, light reflective, structures like this don't typically occur in nature. They are, however, exactly the kind of technology that scientists on Earth have proposed for interstellar travel. So what are we looking at? A strange, naturally occurring phenomenon that challenges our understanding of physics? Or could it be something more? A long-lost probe, designed by an unknown intelligence still drifting through space after thousands or even millions of years? And if it is artificial, what was its purpose? Was it meant to observe? To explore? Or has it been waiting for something, or someone, to find it? If this object is truly something beyond a mere space rock, then we may be standing at the edge of a revelation that could change everything. For centuries, humans have gazed into the night sky, wondering if we are alone. We've sent probes beyond our solar system, listened for radio signals from the stars, and searched for planets that might harbor life. But what if the answer isn't light years away? What if something, or someone, has already been here, watching from a distance? This discovery forces us to reconsider major theories about the universe and our place within it. Could intelligent life have existed long before us, sending probes across the cosmos in a way we can barely comprehend? Could there be countless other objects drifting through space, unnoticed, relics of civilizations that rose and fell long before Earth was even formed? If so, what else might be out there, hidden among the stars, waiting to be found? The urgency to investigate is clear. Future missions like NASA's upcoming interstellar probes and next-generation telescopes could provide more answers. If this object is artificial, we may need to rethink our approach to space exploration entirely. And if it's a message, a beacon left behind by another intelligence, what is it trying to tell us? One thing is certain: the universe just became even more mysterious. Whether this discovery proves to be natural or something far greater, it challenges our understanding of what's possible. And as this object continues its approach, one question lingers in the minds of scientists, astronomers, and all of humanity. Are we finally on the verge of contact? And then, after months of data analysis, the truth was revealed. The object once thought to be just another drifting rock wasn't a random piece of space debris after all. It wasn't an asteroid or a comet, but something far more extraordinary. For the first time in history, we are witnessing the hidden architecture of the universe. A structure, possibly artificial, designed with precision, purpose, and intention. The object's surface revealed intricate patterns that could only be described as engineered, not natural. Hidden beneath the layers of data was a discovery so profound that it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. This wasn't just a relic of the past, it was a message. And perhaps it was the first tangible proof that we are not alone in the universe. As this discovery reverberates through the scientific community, the future of space exploration has been forever altered. What we've uncovered is just the beginning, an unprecedented gateway to new possibilities. The upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled infrared vision, will give us the chance to dive even deeper into the mysteries of this object, and who knows what it may reveal about others that are hidden in the vast expanse of space. NASA's upcoming interstellar probes, designed to venture beyond our solar system, will soon begin their journey to explore the farthest reaches of the cosmos. With every new mission, we inch closer to understanding not just what lies out there, but what it all means for us. This discovery has already ignited a new wave of excitement, and with it, new questions. If we've just found this, imagine what we'll discover next. Could there be entire fleets of probes waiting to be discovered, marking the paths of unknown civilizations? What secrets of the universe, hidden in the shadows, will we uncover in the years to come? The stars are no longer distant. They are a beckoning frontier. And we are on the edge of something monumental, ready to step into a future where the mysteries of space are finally within our reach as we close this chapter. Of discovery, one thing is clear: the universe is far more mysterious and far more interconnected than we ever imagined. What started as a faint signal has led us to the discovery of a potential relic from another time, another intelligence, or perhaps a message from beyond our reach. The implications are profound, and as we continue to explore the cosmos, each new finding takes us one step closer to understanding the grand tapestry of existence. But even with all we've learned, we're just scratching the surface. What other secrets might the universe be hiding, waiting for us to uncover? If you're as captivated by the mysteries of space as we are, be sure to subscribe and stay updated on every new cosmic revelation. Join us as we venture further into the unknown. There's always more to discover. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next cosmic adventure.